everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So today I'm really excited because I'm doing my first ever Look Fantastic unboxing. The company was so gracious and actually sent me the box as for review, so I did not pay for this. So thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending it out to me. But again, it was just a gift. I'm not affiliated. This video is not sponsored. But I'm so glad to be able to show it to you guys because I've actually been wanting to subscribe actually to Look Fantastic because I've seen some of their previous boxes and I have friends that have Look Fantastic and they looked always amazing. Before I go any further and continue talking, you guys know the drill. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and if you could, make sure you hit that notification. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I make any uploads. And lastly, make sure you guys give me a big old thumbs up. Again, you guys, Look Fantastic was sent to me as a gift just to review. They did not sponsor this video whatsoever. In fact, I was supposed to only post on Instagram, but I did ask them if they would mind if I posted on my YouTube, and they said that's cool. Yay! But Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box which retails for $19 per month, and it comes from the UK. But $19 is the US currency, just so you're aware, and that $19 covers shipping also, so that's really good. And I would believe there's sales taxes as well. But if you would like to sign up using a referral link that they gave me, again, it's not commissioned, it's not sponsored, nothing like that. They did give me a discount link for my followers where the first 20 to subscribe to Look Fantastic on a 3-month subscription plan will get their first month for free. And what's really cool is for a 3-month subscription, it's typically $18 a month. So you would actually only pay $36, you guys, for 3 months of Look Fantastic. And again, that includes shipping. So that's a really killer deal. And again, it's for the first 20. Now, for anyone basically 21 and up, after 20, so 21 and up, they will actually get 50% off their first month's box with a 3-month subscription. But even that's still a great deal. You're only paying $45 for 3 months of Look Fantastic, and again, shipping included. So make sure if you are interested in subscribing to Look Fantastic that you do it as soon as possible. Okay, you guys? I think I've done more than enough talking. Let me get my trusty dandy knife and let's open her up. One of these tearaways. That's cool. That's great packaging. Ooh! Look at this, you guys. Because again, this box did come from overseas actually. So I do appreciate how they do the extra packaging. And look at the box inside. It's their birthday month, so it's a birthday themed box. What the box looks like. And I do believe they typically always send like a box theme every month. Let's open her up. It's so pretty. Like, you gotta give them A+ on the packaging off the bat, you guys. It actually goes over all the products that are available, and I do know there's like 2 or 3 items that are variation items from looking online, but for the most part, the box is pretty constant on the items. Again, for me, if I had to compare it to a subscription box here in the States, I would say it's very similar to what Allure is right now, how they usually have variation 1, variation 2. So just so you know. So pretty with this tissue paper and the little seal. I'm definitely gonna save this because this is nice. Like, I could use this for a gift. So here's a Luxie. Ooh. So my first item here in the box is from Brushworks. It's their HD Jade Roller, and they are PETA certified, vegan, and cruelty free. Now, as you can tell, I got a new mini fridge, and I already have a jade roller. I actually have a rose quartz roller, so, and I have a jade roller. So I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna save this for one of you. So I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway, you guys. But so far, I think this is really, really nice. And definitely this is a full-size item. Look Fantastic is from the UK, so a lot of the items that they send us are brands from the UK. So I think that is also really, really cool, being able to test out products from overseas, because we don't always get to get these items in our subscription boxes here. I almost forgot to mention, this jade roller retails for $9.99 euros. So that would be closer like $14 US. So that's actually a really good deal overall. This is from ESPA. It says Natural Beauty Inner Calm, pink hair and scalp mud, intensive treatment mask to condition and nourish your hair and scalp. So actually that's pretty cool. And for me, this is actually a good size for maybe twice to use. This is 30 milliliters, and this would be a retail value of $5.10 UK or euros, and probably like $7-8 US. So again, deluxe travel size, which that does seem pretty reasonable. That's one of the ones that was a variation. They also had micellar water on variation between, so it was either the hair mask or the cleansing water. Ooh, I like this. So this is a lip liner. I'm trying to find the brand here. Get this guy. I mean, it's a simple pencil liner. It's from Diego. It says Diego. Blah, blah, blah. It's from Diego. It's from Diego Dalla Parma. Diego Dalla Parma. Parma. Yeah. PARM. So it says number 80. Ooh, 24 months shelf life. It says Matica Labial Matte Lip Pencil. I'm trying to find a name. 80, like, you know, because I can't find a name. So it's a nice pinky nude. I love pinky nudes to line my lips. Like, tried this formula and I love pencil liners. Let's test her out. Let's give it a whirl. Oh, that's really nice, and it felt really creamy as well, you guys. So I'm excited to give this a go. The shade name was on here. I should have just paid attention. It's shade name Antique Pink. This retails for 9.32 euros. So again, that's like $10.99, $11 US. But that's still pretty good, even though they're saying it's a mini. This looks like a full size to me. So it's from Il Makiage. I actually do like several of the items I've received previously from Il Makiage. Typically I get them from Ipsy. And this says mini OMG highlighter worth 10 euros. So again, probably 10, 11, 12 bucks. So this is a mini, and this is actually a decent size for a highlighter. Really pretty highlighter. Oh, it feels nice. So let me. It's a very soft, like, oh, there you go. You can see it right there. So it's a nice kind of like soft highlighter, a little on the glittery side, but it's better to try it on the skin. But it feels nice, and it doesn't feel chalky. Like, there's been some I've tried before that felt chalky, and this one feels really nice and kind of like smooth, you know, not creamy, but smooth. So there was a variation on this particular item where you could have received the Bombs basically highlighter. So I'm kind of glad that I got the Il Makiage, because I really love the brand and I want to try more from them. So I just realized I've been saying Il Maquillage and it's Il Maskia. Il Maskia. I'm just butchering the name, but I do like a lot of the products, like their Hydro Veil Primer. Love it. Like if I'm super dry and I feel pores, that's my go-to item. This is the Elemis. Who doesn't love Elemis? It's their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 15 milliliter, worth 30 euros. It sounds like a lot because it is. But this marine cream, it's very pricey. Like I remember we got it in BoxyCharm over a year ago and it was like $100 and something just for the jar version. So I can easily see the price, but I'm excited to get this because I really did enjoy the marine cream. So I have 2 more items, you guys, and this one I'm excited for. This is a Luxie brush. We all know Luxie brushes are pricey. They have really nice wood handles. This is number 209 shader brush. So I don't think I actually have this one. I have a blending brush from, like, I have 2 or 3 of the blending brushes, but this, like right here, this is like a good shader brush. I personally like using like larger shader brushes that have this kind of like detail in the front to actually apply and build up my crease area, especially on days like today where I'm literally I only took my bronzer and I just did it so it adds some dimension to my face basically. So this Luxie brush is 15 euros. So again, this would be an equivalent to about $17 US. So that's really good. So as a bonus item, I think also for their birthday, I'm not sure because it's not in the pamphlet, they sent me a LOOKFANTASTIC beauty box pop socket. So I'm not a pop socket gal, and my kids already have pop sockets, so I'm gonna save this to give it to someone that actually would use it. It's a cool, like, sleek, you know, kind of like, it's a nice texture black, so I'm sure someone will like it. So I'm gonna save it for one of you guys. If you're in the United States, because of shipping costs, you guys, I'm sorry, but if you're in the United States and you would like the LOOKFANTASTIC pop socket, let me know and I'll give it to you I'll just give it to you, okay? So let me know. Those are all the items I received in the September's LOOKFANTASTIC box. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the September LOOKFANTASTIC box, and also let me know what was your favorite item from the box. Again, if you just did month to month, $19 a month is a pretty darn good deal. Or if you decide to do the 3-month membership where you get my discounts, and again, it's not affiliated, I don't make any money whatsoever, it's just a discount for you. You would get 3 months for $36 or $45. So I think it's a great deal. And before I forget, because I almost did, this September box is only available till September 30th or until they sell out. I highly recommend you signing up as soon as possible, because they have had previous boxes sell out before the end of the month. Thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. And lastly, make sure you guys take care. Be safe. Right now, California is on fire. It was, and then all this other natural disasters going on throughout the country. So it's a very scary time. Besides, COVID. So make sure you guys all be safe, take care, and bless you all. Goodbye.